XProtect Access Control helps clients recognize, react to, and investigate incidents as a coordinated team. In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create an access report that can be printed. On a list created in a Search and Filter Events task, click the Time column header to filter the results in ascending time order. Next, click the Access Report button. In the Access Report dialog box, specify the report name and destination and click Create. The report is generated and saved to the specified location. A bar at the top shows the progress of the report. When it is complete, click Details. Click Open. Now you can review the report. You just saw how to create an access report that can be printed. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.